Hi, Allan. This is Dickie Bill. I'm doing a local search for pre-arrangement services El Paso. And this is what come up on my initial search. The first one is pre-arrangement services by Melissa with Facebook. Now, Facebook is just big. Honestly, we're going to get into that. This is the Google Maps, and Sunset actually ranks 5, 6, 7, and 8 organically, but when you click on more businesses, they have a sponsored ad right at the top, right here, sponsored. It says it's sponsored, so that's why they're number one during that thing. I looked at these websites here. I've looked at Sunset and a couple others. You actually rank number 8, you yourself. Allan Borschow, Sunset Funeral Homes, number 8. Your LinkedIn profile is very sparse. In fact, I brought it up. You need a picture. You need to do some posts here. You can actually get leads on LinkedIn. And that would be the first thing that I did. Okay, let's look at the Facebook profile. These things here, Facebook ranks 100 on a domain rating, but it has nothing else there. So easy to just get a few backlinks and keywords and outrank that. Here is Sunset Funeral Homes Plan Ahead. This is the Plan Ahead website. No backlinks, no referring domains. But Sunset Funeral Homes, because it's such a big company, when you hit the subdomains, and this is all the websites that are included, they have about 1,000, almost 2,000 backlinks and 344 referring domains, which is huge. Their value is $5,000 a month on their traffic. And that's just nationwide. That isn't the exact URL. The exact URL would be huge and easy to beat because there's 0 backlinks, 0 referring domains. All of these things go into making the ranking higher. And we'll look at a competitor. Let's look at Dignity Memorial Funeral Homes. They actually have, or what are we looking at? Exact URL. They have backlinks. They have 79 referring domains, but no keywords at all. And this here, this DR and UR search is actually easy to beat if you just get these numbers tighter. The ratio should be within 5, and that would make a big difference in how it would be to overrank them. Even though Dignity Memorial, where were they in your search? I think they were I think they were in the more businesses. But let's move on to the LinkedIn, your LinkedIn profile. It has a DR of 98. That's why you rank in number 8. But you could really bring that up with some keywords, some posts, and if you made a target leads generation page, you could actually backlink that from your LinkedIn profile and create leads for yourself only. Where Sunset could do, even though you share leads, is they could put some backlinks and referring domains on this specific Plan Ahead website, which is its ranking. I mean, it ranks number 1. Let's see, on that search, well, they rank number 2. Pre-arrangement by Melissa ranks number 1. Planning Ahead, Sunset ranks number 2, which is pretty good. I think there's a lot of room for anybody who wanted to be getting a leads generation on pre-arrangement services El Paso. It wouldn't be a very difficult thing to do. So if you have any questions, feel free to reach out. I think it's pretty exciting news. You could probably even ask Sunset if you could link to their website to create your own leads gen site and use their backlinks as well as their subdomain power. It's up to you. We could talk. I hope you have a good day. But remember, get your LinkedIn profile up to date, and that'll go a long way in ranking you higher in Google. Bye, Al.